Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see your mentions on TikTok. So in TikTok, you can mention your friends on another TikTok videos created by other TikTok user. For example, you want to mention your friends in a comment, or maybe you want to mention your friends on the videos itself. So how to see that mentions on TikTok? Also, there might be some changes with the TikTok in the past and now, so I'm going to show you the new method or the new feature of mentions in TikTok, where to find it. So let's just start. And you need to make sure that you've already on the latest versions of TikTok, so you can just see it on the Play Store. And if it is asked you to update the app, you can just update it. First, you can just open your TikTok, and then here you can just so in the past, I'm going to show you. You can find your mentions on the inbox. So when you go to inbox, there will be this all activity at the top, and you can see the mentions in here, but now it doesn't show in here. So if you want to see your mentions here, you can just click on your profile. Go to your profile by clicking on this profile button, and now go to the three lines icon at the top right corner, and here go to the settings and privacy. So this is the settings and privacy page. You can now just scroll down until you find this content and display section, and there will be this activity center. So before, the activity shown in the inbox, now it is moved here. So you can just tap on here, activity center. So this is the activity center of TikTok, and here in the activity center, when you scroll down, you'll see the mentions option. So click on this mention history, and after that it will be open, and you'll see the mentions history on your TikTok account. So here I only have one, so my friends mentioned me in TikTok content. So if you want to see the content again, you can just click on this mention, and here you can see the content and also the mention itself. Okay, so that's how you can see the mention history on your TikTok account. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, leave a comment if you have any question, and also click on the thanks. Bye.